In this video, I am going to show you how to display data from the Datagridview to Textbox and remove some unwanted values. In that there are some unwanted values here, and in the amount we are going to remove unwanted zeros. First, let's write the code for displaying data in the Datagridview. So right click, then click on view code. Now let's add some namespaces. So I will paste the namespaces. First is using system.data.sql client or SQL client, then using system.configuration. These two namespaces are used for connecting SQL Server database. Now click on the Solution Explorer and let's add some references. So click on the references, right click, then click on add reference, then select this assembly, and in the search bar type here configuration and select this system.configuration and click on OK. This system.configuration is used for connecting SQL Server database. Now I will paste the code for displaying data in the Datagridview. Just after this initialize component. In this first line of code, I have to add one connection string name. So click on the Solution Explorer and double click on app.config file and add a tag that is connection string, and after this connection string add a tag, another tag that is add, then name, then data underscore connection. You can give any name of your choice, then connection string. Now click on the Server Explorer, right click on data connection, then click on add connection and click on sense. Make sure you select this Microsoft SQL Server, then click on OK, then click on the server name. Now select the SQL Server name, then change this authentication to SQL Server authentication and provide the username and password of your SQL Server, and select the database from the drop down My Database is School. Click on Test Connection, click on OK, then click on OK, then right click on the connection, then click on Properties, then click on the connection string, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, copy it and paste it over this connection string, and change this password with the password of your SQL Server, that is admin@123, and copy this connection string name, then copy it and paste it over this double quote. I am writing the connection string over this app.config file so that if there is any change in the password of the SQL Server, then we will change in this app.config file and it will be affected on all Windows form, and we don't need to type this connection string again and again on all Windows form. This is the code for displaying data in the Datagridview, and I am selecting ID, name and address date from that amount from a table called registration. Let's see my table. My table registration, ID, name, address, date and amount are the field of my table. I am selecting ID, name, address and amount from table registration. Now let's design this Datagridview so that we remove unwanted values. First, we need to add one dataset. So right click on the project, then click on add, then click on new item, then click on data, then click on dataset, then click on add, then click on the Server Explorer and drag and drop the table. So drag and drop this table onto this dataset and click on yes and close this dataset and click on save. Now click on the Datagridview and click on the arrow, then click on this drop down and select other data project and expand this project data set, then expand the data set 1, then select this table registration. Again click on the data set and click on the arrow and click on edit column and select the date and scroll up and click onto this default cell style and click on the format and select date and time and select your appropriate layout of your date and click on OK, then click on OK. In the same way for amount, select it and click on this default cell style and click on the format and click on the three dots and select currency and click on OK, then click on OK, then click on OK. This will remove unwanted values. Now right click and click on view code and remove this. Don't forget to remove this one in the form load. Now let's write the code for displaying data from the data grid view to text box. So select the data grid view and type F4 and click on event and scroll down and select cell mouse click. So double click onto this cell mouse click and I will paste the code for displaying data from the data grid view to text box. I have assigned TBID with the cell 0 and name with the cell 1 and address with the cell 2 and date with the cell 3 and amount with the cell 4. In this I have used here one different thing, that is value, and here formatted value. Let's learn this difference. First run the project and see the difference between this value and formatted value. So let's run the project. So click onto the data grid view. So the data is displayed and the difference is one is it display in the amount it display in the red flag format, but in the date it display unwanted values. So let's try to remove this unwanted value. So go onto the code again and change this value with this formatted value, then it will remove the unwanted values here. So I will copy it and change this value with the formatted value, and now let's run the project again. So click onto the data grid view, so it remove the unwanted values.